Hello?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, south central Page County in northwestern Virginia, north central Albemarle County in central Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, central Greene County in central Virginia, southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia.
And the Emerson went off.
Until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Massanutten, or 15 miles southeast of Harrisonburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Madison, Stannersville, Elkton, Brentwood, Lydia, Ewood, Hannahtown, Syria, Banco, Rainbow, Leon, Shady Grove, Hood, McMullen, Criglarsville, Slate Mills, Edmond, Nethers, Kretz, and Mission Home. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for eastern West Virginia and the central Shenandoah. Then partly.
So the beacon isn't on. Oh well. And the Emerson shut itself off. It's a good radio.
Best chance of rain.
Aren't you just the best telephone radio? Hello?
Up to 30.
I love aquatic ambience.